Hello folks, my name is Mohammad Misbauddin and I am e-education provider of medical coding, and I am teaching you about the certification called Certified Professional Coder. This video is continuation of Integumentry's subsection flaps and its subsection other flaps and graphs. In this CPD book we have the codes for other flaps and graphs 15740. Description of this code is flap island pedicle requiring identification and dissection of an anatomically named axial vessel. For example, the patient diagnosed with basal cell carcinoma on right anterior cheek. So, the physician marked a circle shape on the defect and he completely excised that basal cell carcinoma lesion. Then after that, the physician created a island pedicle by incising the skin around the healthy donor site. Remember, incising around the healthy donor site. Also, it includes axial vessels in it, means the blood vessels, arteries and veins are situated centrally to that flap, which gives rich blood supply. Therefore, the physician moved or transferred that flap pedicle to the defected side. This step typically involves turning under the skin from the donor side to the recipient side. Then finally, he closes both the sides and applies sterile dressings. So, if this kind of procedure was performed by the physician, you will assign 15740, and for the previous excision procedure you have to assign the code from excision malignant section. And the next code is 15750. Description of this code is flap neurovascular pedicle. The only difference between the above code and this code is nerves. If the physician is placing the flap on the site of injury or wound, which includes nerves which are responsible for the transmission of motor and sensory signals and also blood vessels, then simply assign this code 15750. And the next code is 15756. Premuscle or myocutaneous flap with microvascular anastomosis. So basically this procedure, myocutaneous flap, are used for cosmetic procedures. In this procedure, the physician will excise myocutaneous flap from the donor site and will place it to the recipient site. Then after that, the physician will join the flap's blood vessels to the recipient site under the microscopic guidance. Then after that, the repaired site is checked for leakages by injecting a dye. If there is any problem, then the physician will again suture the vessels and he will secure the flap by suturing. Finally, the physician will suture both the sides, donor and recipient side as well. Then after that, dressing will be applied to both the sides. Please note, myocutaneous flap means skin, subcutaneous tissue, fat and muscle. And the next code is 15757. Pre-skin flap with microvascular anastomosis. Same like the above code procedure, if the physician is performing pre-flap procedure on any part of the woman's body skin, then you can assign the code 15757. 15758. Pre-facial flap with microvascular anastomosis. Now, what is fascia? It is a connective tissue that covers, protects and gives support to below the skin and also surrounds muscles, bones, nerves and blood vessels. If the pre-flap is performed for fascia, then you can assign the code 15758. 15760. Graft composite, example full thickness of external ear or nasal ala, including primary closure, donor area. What is composite skin graft? It consists of skin with underlying cartilage. Now, what is cartilage? Cartilage is tissue found at the ends of long bones, nose, and ears. It is strong and flexible too. For example, if the physician is excising part of external ear as a graft and placing it to the defect nasal ala by suturing it, he is also closing the donor site. Then, if this procedure was performed, you can assign a code 15760. And the next code is 15770. Description of this code is graft, derma, fat, fascia. Suppose the provider is harvesting the composite graft consisting of dermis, fat, fascia, or a combination thereof, and places the graft to the recipient side and sutures it, and also closes the donor side. Then assign the code 15770. Now, what is derma? It is the second layer of the skin. Fat is the underlying tissue of subcutaneous layer. Then fascia means a connecting tissue which covers, protects, and supports to other structures, usually found in below the skin and surrounds the muscles, bones, nerves, and blood vessels. Moreover, this code is used for cosmetically improving the defect by using composite graft, derma, fat, fascia, or combination thereof, following surgeries for malignancy, injury, those caused by congenital disorder, trauma, etc. And we have the new codes added to the CPD book, that is 15769. Description of this code is grafting of autologous soft tissue other harvested by direct excision, example fat, dermis, fascia. So, to prepare the defect, the physician will use the graft of the same patient during the same operative session. Assign these codes if the physician is performing autograft on fat, dermis, fascia during the same session. And the next code is 15771. Grafting of autologous fat harvested by liposuction technique to trunk, breast, scalp, arms, and or legs 50 cubic centimeter or less injected. So, the provider harvests the fat by liposuction technique from one location and inject it into the another location on the body group like trunk, breast, scalp, arms, or legs, or more than one of those areas to fill in defects or reshape contours. So, he will use 50 cubic centimeter or less of autologous fat to inject in the defected area or to reshape that contours. So, how the procedure is performed? For example, the patient came with scar revision. So, the physician will prep, drap, and anesthetize the patient. Then, after that, the physician will attach the syringe to the cannula and he will make a small incision at the donor side and he will insert cannula in it. And after that, the physician will apply the liposuction technique and he will withdraw the fat with the help of syringe. After the syringe is full, he will remove the cannula. Then there is another process called centrifugation the physician will apply. In this method, the fatty layer, blood, and the fluid will be separated. So, the physician will elect the fatty material or the fat graft and he attaches the syringe to cannula containing the fat graft, and after that the physician will make a small incision to the recipient side and he will inject the fat graft up to 50 cubic centimeter or less than that to any site of this body group like trunk, breast, scalp, arms, and or legs. If this procedure is performed on this group, then you can assign 15771. If the physician is using 51 cubic centimeter of fat graft, then we have the add-on code 15772. So always use 15772 in conjunction with 15771. Or if the grafting procedure of liposuction technique is performed on another body group like face, eyelids, mouth, neck, ears, orbits, genitalia, hands and or feet, then assign the code 15773. If the graft material is 25 cubic centimeter or less than that, or if it is more than 25 cubic centimeters like 26 cubic centimeter, then you can use add-on code 15774, which is each additional 25 cc injected or part thereof. So always use 15774 in conjunction with 15773. And the next code is 15775. Description of this code is punch graft for hair transplant, 1 to 15 punch grafts. So in this procedure, the physician will use the instrument called punch, which will make holes in scalp, which consists of hair, and he will take that graft and apply or place it to the recipient area where hair doesn't exist. So if the physician is punching the holes up to 15, then you can assign the code 15775. Or else if it is more than 15 punch grafts, then assign the code 15776. Remember, till the semicolon, the description of this code is same for both the codes. Finally, we have add-on code 15777. This code is utilized after the soft tissue procedure performed on breast or trunk. During the same session, the physician will attach a cellular dermal matrix on breast or trunk by suturing it. Then he closes the wound. After that, he will apply the dressings. And for any doubts or practicing questions, you can request me on cpctrainer@protonmail.com. And please don't forget to mention the section name. And thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment.